So hello Kacheros, for today's video, we are going to Abu Dhabi and itatry natin yung sand dunes and yung dune bashing. So ito po ang aming service, naka-exclusive kami at na-book namin ito sa Pilipinas sa 7 stars na travel tours. 14,000 pesos per person, included na dyan yung 7,000 na visa sa Dubai for 14 days and yung airport transfer to and back and forth sa hotel, and ito ang tour namin sa Abu Dhabi for the dune bashing. So mahigit isang oras yung travel namin from the Dubai proper to Abu Dhabi kung saan nandoon yung itong dune bashing natin. So this is my first time na ma-experience ito. By the way, we are riding Toyota Land Cruiser and ang driver namin si Samir, and sobrang galing niya kasi Iranian siya but nandito siya sa Dubai for a long time na. So ito yung first experience natin, sobrang maalog-alog talaga inside the Land Cruiser and exclusive kami dito. And wow, super nice talaga yung view dito and super relaxing din siya kahit medyo nakakatakot. Extreme rides siya kasi going up and down yung car and then paminsan tumatagilid siya, but very nice itong si Samir kasi talagang meron pala sila talagang special permit para sa driving license dito mismo sa sand dunes. Yan. So kung makikita nyo, sobrang pro and expert na itong si Samir and na-enjoy talaga namin yung experience na to. And yan yung view sa labas, sobrang ganda. It's unending talaga yung sand dunes. So ito yung desert talaga na masasabi mo na sobrang init and sobrang Dubai vibes talaga siya. So ito lang, it's 5 o'clock and I'm giving it 1,000/10. You should